Hey guys, Two Wheels here again with another video for you. I am going to do some chain maintenance on my Ninja 400. I was doing some research on it to see what the recommendations were for doing chain maintenance, and finding articles that were talking about maybe every 500 to 600 miles to do some chain maintenance, which I'm just going to re-lube the chain, put some chain wax on, and I got a little brush here. I'm going to do some scrubbing to get some grime off of it. And yeah, the purpose of it is, I guess, that the chains in between the links have like little O-rings and stuff that need to be re-lubricated every now and then to prevent damage to the chain. So we'll get that going here in a second. And then I got a Venom bike stand here to kind of prop up my back wheel so I'm able to freely move it and move the chain here. So let's get into this here. Set my camera up down here. I'm going to use some disposable shop rags. Then I have some chain cleaner, the lube there, and then some chain wax that I'll put on, and then just have a little brush there that I'll use to scrub the chain. Again, the bike stand that I'm using is a Venom bike stand. I don't have the spooler, so I just have the rubber brackets that just kind of hold up the back of the frame here. So let's see if I can find a position. So what I do is I actually get a piece of cardboard here and I kind of tuck it up underneath the wheel. So when I spray on the chain cleaner, I don't get it on my tire. So that way it's easier for cleanup when I'm done, so I don't have to scrub the tire and worry about getting oil or whatnot on that, making the tire lose traction. Start with putting some of this chain cleaner on by Maxima Racing Oils. I can put a link up on this. I actually bought a 3-piece kit that I got all this in from Amazon, so I'll put that on there so you can see it. But what we're going to do is we're just going to spray the chain. All right, next we'll use this little chain cleaning brush, and we'll go ahead and scrub the chain, get all the dirt off of this, and then we'll take a paper towel after that and get the excess stuff off. This job, usually I do it every 3 rides or so. I'll come in and I'll clean it up, really keep the chain clean, but like I said, recommended was about every 500 to 600 miles. Should only take you maybe about 10 minutes to do this. Obviously, if you have a bike stand, the easier it's going to be, because you can just kind of spin the wheel like this. I've seen other people do it when they don't have a stand and they have to kind of wheel it across their garage or driveway. Alright. Now what we'll do is we'll take one of those disposable shop rags and I just kind of wipe it down. usually do is I kind of get in here and I try to get my sprocket too. Be careful not to pinch your fingers. So now that I got that cleaned up, sprocket's cleaned up here, pretty good there, and we can go ahead and put some of the chain lube in there now. So again, we'll put this back up here because I want to try to keep the tire as clean as possible. Yeah, now we'll just spray on this chain wax and chain lube by the same company. And you want to try to get right down in the top there of the chain links there, because inside there is where all the O-rings are. And I think I go about 10 repetitions here, and I think that'll give me a full rotation of the chain, maybe a little overlap. Alright guys, so that's it. So she's cleaned up and ready for some more riding. So I hope this video gave you an idea on how to quickly do some chain maintenance on your bike. And if you guys have any questions, comments, please leave them below, and I will answer them as I see them come in. Thanks and have a good night.